Question 5 of this exercise says PQRS is a parallelogram and QM is the height from Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is 12 cm and QM is 7.6 cm, we have to find two things. First, we have to find the area of parallelogram PQRS and we have to find QN if PS equals to 8 cm. So let's start with the first part. In the first part, we have to find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. And we know that the formula to find the area is basically base into height. So base is given, that is SR. So SR is 12 centimeter and height is given, that is QM, which is 7.6 centimeter. So when we will multiply it, we will get the area as 91.2 square centimeter. So that will be the area of the parallelogram PQRS. Now in B part, we have to find the length of QN if PS is given, that is 8 centimeter. So now we know the area of the parallelogram, that is 91.2 square centimeter, and when we take the base as PS, so area will equal to base into height, and this time we are taking the base as PS, so QN will be the height. So the area we know, it will be the same. It will be 91.2 square centimeter. And we know the base, that is PS, that is 8 centimeter. We can easily find the height. So height is basically QN. So height will be basically 91.2 divided by 8, which is same as 11.4 centimeter. So we have got the length of QN. So QN is basically 11.4 centimeter.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.